Everybody, welcome to the Buys Houses podcast. This is the second episode. I'm your host, Danny Johnson, coming to you from sunny San Antonio, Texas, where it's already feeling like summer in March. If you got a house that's seen better days, maybe it's got foundation issues, structural damage, or years of deferred maintenance, and want to sell it as is, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into why selling your house as is to a house buying company like mine can be a game changer for you. Whether you're a homeowner tired of making repairs, an heir with an inherited fixer-upper needs a ton of work, or a landlord stuck with a trashed property, been there before, it's not fun, this episode is for you. So stick around. We're going to cover the benefits of selling as is for cash and answer some listener questions and show you how to get started selling your house fast for cash. So let's just jump in. All right, so who am I? My name is Danny Johnson. I run Danny Buys Houses right here in San Antonio. And for the last 20 plus years, I've been helping people sell their house fast. No repairs, no stress, and for all cash. We're not some big faceless corporation. We're local, and I'm from San Antonio, and I get what it's like to deal with a house that's more trouble than it's worth. My team and I focus on making the process simple and human. You're not just a number to us, you're a neighbor. Now let's talk about selling a house as is. What does that even mean? It's exactly what it sounds like. You sell the house in its current state the way it is. No fixing the leaky roof, no leveling the foundation, no cleaning out the mess left by evicted tenants or a family member. No having to clean out the house left to you by a hoarder aunt. All right, you can sell it the way it is and skip the hassles. Sounds too good to be true, and I get that. Some people question, well, what's the catch, right? Well, it's not. Here's how it works and why it might be perfect for you. First off, speed. Selling a house the old-fashioned way with the realtor listings and showings takes time and is a lot of hassle. In San Antonio, it can take about 125 days plus on average to close a deal. And that's over, 4 months? So if your house needs major repairs, add more time for fixing it up or having it sit on the market because it needs repairs. And let's face it, people looking to buy a house to move into want something that's ready to move into. So with us, though, at Danny Buys Houses, you can sell it in as little as a week, and have it closed. I've had folks sign papers and get cash in just a few days when they needed to move fast because of foreclosure or other reasons. Now imagine that. No waiting, no wondering if you're going to find a buyer and at what price. It just all happens quickly. You're done and moving on with your life. All right, now the second benefit here is no repairs, and this is huge. Say you've got a fixer-up or structural damage or foundation that's sinking faster than the stone in the San Antonio River. Traditional buyer will want a home inspection, and they're going to find even more problems. Then demand that you fix it, or they're going to walk away. That's money and hassle you don't need to deal with. So at a Danny Buys Houses, that's why we exist. We buy the house as is. You got a funky kitchen, you got cracked walls, doesn't matter. Don't even get me started on having to work with contractors. We've taken houses down to the studs and turned them around, and no amount of repairs is going to scare us. You get to avoid all of this, and we'll take care of it. Now, the third benefit is certainty. When you list the house, you're kind of rolling the dice. Will the buyer's loan fall through? Will they back out after the inspection? With a cash sale like ours, that's not a worry. We've got the funds ready, and once we agree on a price, it's a done deal. No banks, no delays, just a straight shot to closing. So the fourth benefit of working with someone like Danny Buys Houses is you save money. Realtors charge commissions, thousands of dollars off your sale price. Then there's closing costs, repairs, staging. It adds up pretty quick. When you sell to us, there's no commissions, no fees. We even cover a lot of the closing costs. So you get to keep more cash and equity from your home. All right, the fifth one that people really enjoy getting as a benefit of using our service is simplicity. Life's messy without a complicated house sale. Maybe you inherited a house full of junk. Maybe your tenants trashed the place when you evicted them. You don't want to deal with it, right? You don't have to. Call us and we'll check it out, make an offer, and handle everything with a local title company. You sign, you get paid, and then you're free of the problem, and that's it. All right. I want to share a quick story as well. As last month, I worked with Maria, landlord here in San Antonio. Her tenant skipped out, leaving holes in the walls, trashed the place, busted the water heater, and left the yard like a jungle. She was fed up, and she didn't want to sink thousands into repairs just to list it. She called us, and we walked through the place, mess and all, and gave her a fair cash offer. We then closed it in 10 days. And she ended up telling me, Danny, you took a weight off of my shoulders. And that's what we do. We lift the burden so you can move on. Selling as is isn't exactly for everybody, though. If your house is in great shape and you've got time, a realtor might actually be a better option for you to get top dollar. But if you're staring at a money pit or you just want a fast offer to move on, cash is king. No judgment here. We've seen it all and we're here to help. All right. So now this part of the episode, I like to cover some listener questions, and we've got some for you. So let's spend some time going through those and getting some answers for people asking questions. So Danny, I inherited my mom's house in Castle Hills. It's old, needs a new roof, and I live out of state. Should I fix it up first? That's from Tom in California. Tom, great question. No, you don't need to fix it up. We buy houses like yours all the time. Old roof, not a problem. You don't even have to be here. We can coordinate everything remotely through the title company and mobile notaries and things like that. So you save the cost and the headache of repairs, and we'll get you fast cash. Just if you're interested in trying to get an offer from us or getting an offer from us pretty quickly for that house in Castle Hills, just go to DannyBuysHouses.com and fill out that form, and we'll take it from there. All right. Okay, let's see. This next one is my house has foundation issues. Will anybody buy it as is? That's Lisa from right here in San Antonio. Lisa, yes, we will. Foundation problems don't scare off us, even though they scare most traditional buyers. We've handled worse. Once bought a place where the floor sloped like a fun house. And so don't worry about it. We'll make it work. You're not stuck. Give us a shout. We'll take care of it and make you an offer. All right, we've got another one here. Last one. I'm a landlord and my rental's a wreck after bad tenants. Can I sell it without cleaning it out or fixing it up? That's Javier in New Braunfels. Absolutely, Javier. Leave the mess. Take what you want, walk away, and we'll deal with it. We've seen houses with clothes piled up, fridges full of who knows what, and other things. So, and by the way, don't open that refrigerator if it's got old food and it's been off for a while. Trust me. That smell is something you don't want to experience. But we'll take care of it. Yeah, just go to DannyBuysHouses.com, fill out the form, or just give us a call. If you've got more questions, anybody out there listening, send them my way. I love hearing from you, and maybe we'll get to it on the next episode. All right, so if you're wondering how to get started, you've heard me say it already here. You head over to DannyBuysHouses.com, fill out the fast cash offer form. It's dead simple if you're in San Antonio or places like New Braunfels, Seguin, Bernie, Universal City, Converse, Selma. I think I said Seguin already. I'll say Seguin. All these places in San Antonio and around San Antonio, we're happy to help. We can pay cash for your house. Just fill out the fast cash offer form on the website. It takes maybe like 2 minutes. It's really quick, and then we'll contact you and get an appointment set up so that we can go visit the house and make you an offer. And once all that's done, if you like the offer, we can sign the purchase agreement and get that over to the title company and get started on it so we can get it closed. And look, I get it. You know, selling a house can feel overwhelming. There's a lot. It's mostly because most of us don't sell, or most people don't sell, you know, more than a couple of houses in their lifetime. So it's understandable that every step of the process is not fully understood by everybody. But we're here to help. If you have questions, by all means, just reach out. We're glad to answer any questions, even if we don't buy your house. Just contact us, DannyBuysHouses.com. And, you know, we've been doing it for 20 years, and we've seen a lot of things, so we can most likely help you. If we don't know how to help you, we can, you know, recommend a professional, especially if you need an attorney or something like that, recommend you to an attorney to help you take care of it. All right, so that's all for today, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this episode, share it with somebody who needs to hear it. And, you know, on whatever platform you're listening to, go ahead and like and do what you can. Leave us a review if you are inclined to do that. Next time, we're going to talk about our mission at Danny Buys Houses and why we're doing what we do, why we got started, all that kind of good stuff. So if you want to hear that, go ahead and subscribe to the podcast and listen to that next episode. Until then, this is Danny Johnson saying take care, sell smart. See you later.